Are you ready to become the best student you can be? There are key components and key ingredients in the recipe of a student mentality that will make all the difference. First, you need to be disciplined. The future is very expensive and only those who carry discipline can inherit it. But I need you to do more than just be disciplined. I need you to stay motivated, even if that means listening to me 1,000 times. That motivation needs to mature into discipline. You also need to be self-aware and always remember that in life, you are always learning. But most importantly, I need you to believe in yourself. You need to see yourself as capable, lovable, and unconditionally worthy of your future. Yes, it's going to get hard sometimes, and I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be easy. But it's worth it. Whatever your goal may be, whether it's losing weight or passing your final exam, remember that it is possible to turn your pain into progress. You need to be uncomfortable with average. I need you to be allergic to average. You need to come to the end of yourself, because so many people are depending on you. A student is hardworking, mentally tough, has the ability to adapt, and demonstrates courage on a daily basis. Stay motivated, stay positive, earn your respect, have a winning attitude, breathe, compete, make no excuses, set goals, practice great habits, and stay focused. But you want your future. You need to outwork everybody on that field, outwork everybody in the room, and learn how to perform under pressure. You need to leave it all out on the field. Everybody wants the future, but everybody wants to be average.
Yes, there are going to be times when you feel like you're losing your mind, and you study for hours and take an exam only to fail. But a student is resilient, disciplined, committed, and consistent, even when they don't want to be. The cycle of depression, the cycle of not enough, and the cycle of dysfunction and anxiety that your family and parents have gone through needs to end with you. So, when you feel like throwing in the towel, when you're ready to quit, when you have failed and failed again, remember why you started. You started because you were hungry. Hunger is the feeling of discomfort or weakness caused by a lack of food coupled with a desire to eat. How hungry are you? Remember, every dream requires discipline.
You need to be responsible, motivated, self-managed, self-aware, and maintain a student mentality even after you pass the test. Life is a test, and in life, there are ups and downs. Accept the responsibility and see yourself as primarily responsible for your outcomes and experiences. Motivation will help you get started, but discipline is going to keep you on the road to your destiny. If you're going to be a successful student, you need to manage your time, plan, and take action in pursuit of your goals and dreams. Everybody has a dream, but behavior must follow your belief system. Remember, behavior follows belief. If you haven't been able to change your behavior to match your dream, then you need to go back and examine your belief system. So, are you ready to become the best student you can be? I believe in you, and I know you can do it. Remember, you are capable, lovable, and unconditionally worthy of your future. So, let's get to work and make your dreams a reality.